Hello, this is Brittany with R&R Windows and Doors Window Part Center. Today we're making a comparison video of two Roto North American casement awning and window operator levers. Both of these are the OP06 for X drive operators, but there's some differences between the two. This is our part number SS10012, and this shorter guy here is our S1042. They're both used on the X drive operators, but the difference is the SS10012 is longer and has a little bit more slender of a handle, and this part that rotates at the end flares out. It is a folding handle set that has a set screw. Our S1042 also is a OP06, but is also used on the OP08. It is for the X drive operators. It's a folding handle. It has a set screw, but this part here that rotates is slender. It does not flare, and it's shorter, and it has a thicker handle. This one is used on operators that has a cover that is plastic, that is replaceable. These ones are mostly used on ones that the cover that is white, it's not replaceable, depending on which operators you have. So you do need to check that out, because if it has a cover on it, you want to make sure it's going to nest down. So the best way to do it is just to take a look at what's existing on your windows and check to see if it's slender, longer, and has a flare, or if it's shorter, a little thicker, with no flare. This one, we call it the 4 3/16 because that's from the longest measurement from here to here is 4 3/16 inch. And right now we only have this one available in the white, bright white. This one we have available in multiple colors. Thank you very much. Hopefully this helps.